Hello everyone! In this video we are going to show one of the improvements introduced in UDS Enterprise 2.2.1, the mass allocation of service pools to user groups and transports. To start, we access UDS with a user with administration permissions. As you can see, this user has no assigned service yet. We enter the administration panel and go to the service pools. There we see several services with no transport and group assigned. First, we will show how to massively assign service pools to groups. We go to our Authenticators. In this case, we select the internal authenticator and then click on the Groups tab. As you can see, we have two users groups. In this case, we will test with the user groups. We click on Edit and there we find the new services pool section that we have incorporated. Here we can directly select which pools of services this group of users will have access to. As you can see, we can select all the ones we need and assign them in a massive way. After selecting the services pools, we save the changes. Next, we go to the Users tab and select the users of interest for us. In this case, we choose the user we are working with and put him in the group that we have configured. Once this is done, we save the changes and this new configuration is already applied. We do the same with transports. We go to the menu and select the connectivity section. We choose the RDP transport that we have already configured. We edit it, and as you can see, here we find the new services pool section that we have incorporated. As before, we can directly select which service pools will be assigned to this transport. Here we can also select all we need and assign them at one time. After selecting the services pools, we save the changes. Finally, we'll check that all the configurations have been correctly applied. We go to the service pools, select the service that we have configured, click on the Groups tab, and we can see that we have already assigned it. We click on the Transport tab, and as you can see, the transport has also been correctly assigned. If we go to the user dashboard, we can see that it has the service already assigned. This novelty will make our work much easier. For example, when we have to assign many services to transports of users groups.